What's up, guys? Feed you information here. My 2019 investing strategy, it's absolutely going to be long term. So I have 14 stocks on my portfolio in the stash. I'll also be going over Robinhood, which just has one stock at the moment. But let's go over this first. So I have one stock each month that I'm going to be buying on 5% dips, unless none are satisfying me there. So if I would rather a 10% or 15% period, there's no stocks that I'm like 5% down, I want to buy, then I'll push it. But right now, that current stock is Apple. Right now, it's about like 1% down for me or something. So not much down. It's only because the market's been falling yesterday and a little bit today. So non-gaming stocks, I'm going to buy on 10% dips. There's currently 10 stocks that meet this criteria. And the one issue that I see with this strategy is that my average costs are already pretty low. So that 10% down might be a little too much, but we'll see over time. So the current stocks that meet this criteria are Alibaba, Nvidia, Disney, Microsoft, Walmart, Costco, General Mills, Amazon, Facebook, and Adobe. Last up, we have the gaming stocks, which I'm buying on 15% dips, and that is EA, Activision, and Take-Two Interactive. So moving on to my Robinhood, I have Apple Hospitality Rate, buying for dividends on as close to a weekly basis as possible, $100, so about 6 shares that would come out to per week. And I'm not worried about the share price, so regardless, each week that I can put in about $100, so get those 6 shares, I'm just going to, regardless of how high my average cost goes, because I can always lower it. And that's just my point. I can always lower it on dips, and that's why I think long term is the best strategy, period, because if you're trading, you're just selling, then you're buying, you're selling, then you're buying. It's how do you like concentrate emotionally and relax? I just couldn't. It was too much for me. But anyways, I did actually do one purchase today on a stash. The market just about closed, it looks like. But it was for Take-Two Interactive. Now it's 12.14%, and I have an average price of 113.62. But before that, I actually had an average price of 120, and it was 16.84% down. So I actually put in, I believe it was $105. I'm sorry, right here, $50.06. So $100.06 is what I added to it, and now it actually makes it the biggest investment on this portfolio. That probably won't stay that way, but if it continues to hit that 15% mark and I can't get it even close to 10% or 5%, then it's probably just going to keep getting bigger and bigger because I like Take-Two Interactive for the long term. That's also why it's my biggest investment out of the other two gaming stocks. They have Grand Theft Auto coming out, and that's going to be a really big revenue machine when it comes out. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, throw me a like, and Feed You Information out.